Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix catalog match rate in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with your catalog match rate here on Shopify, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So if you're running ads on Facebook or Google Shopping here, your catalog's match rate is something you really don't want to overlook. Now, it's basically how well the products and information in your Shopify store lines up with what these ad platforms are expecting. Now, when that match rate is low, your ads won't perform as well or even worse. So your products might not show up at all. So in this case, we first need to understand match rate issues here. So match rate issues usually happen when your Shopify product data is incomplete or doesn't, or in this case, doesn't match data required by advertising platforms. So common culprit included missing product identifiers like GTIN, MPN, or UPC, and also mismatched product titles or description and incorrect product availability or pricing here. Now, to check what's causing the issue, you may need to log into your Facebook Commerce Manager or Google Merchant Center and go to the diagnostics section, and this will show you exactly which product have errors and what needs to be fixed. But to be speaking, you want to go to your Shopify admin page here, and want to go navigate to your products. And in this case, you want to open up any products here. So in this case, you may want to check the barcode field here. This is where you should add the product identifiers like ISBN or UPC or etc. So if products don't really have a GTIN, you can either request one from your supplier or purchase it directly from gs1.org, which is the official provider here. For custom handmade products that don't have a GTIN, you can use an MPN or manufacturer part number instead. So yeah. So just enter the MPN in the barcode field or include it clearly in the product description. Now, also from your Shopify admin here, you may want to edit a few things. Like, for example, you may need to go to your product category here. So usually it's going to be either in the section right side here. So you have type as well. So you have your categories as well. So in this case, you want to make sure to choose the correct or accurate Google product category, Facebook product category here that applies to what you're selling. So for example, if you're selling a t-shirt, make sure to include that or say that it's a t-shirt here. And also you want to go to the type as well. Make sure what type of product this is, like if it's clothing, a t-shirt or whatever here. So make sure to add the appropriate one. So yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.